Soul first, body second. This is the motto. Atma first, Deha second. Our whole life for billions of lives, first body, then maybe a long distance in the past, the soul. My food, my shelter, my sleeping, my eating. This is the most important thing in existence. To you and the dog also. So what differentiates a human being from a dog? He's really cares about his eating and his sleeping. First soul, then body. First Guru's order, then my mind's order. Mind has lots of orders. Guru has a few. Chant Hare Krishna, be happy. Mind has lots of dictations, lots of orders, taking us in a million directions and a million births. Listen to the mind and take birth continually for a million years. Listen to the Guru and follow the Guru and get liberated in one life.